last time I actually sat down and recorded a video. It has been a minute, y'all. I was looking at my YouTube channel last night and I was like, it's been like 4 months. 4 months since I've uploaded a video. The last video I uploaded was when I got my new iPad. I did a review on it, got 1,000 views on it, I think. And that was the last video I uploaded. I have a smattering of a couple things I've recorded here and there, but for the most part, I've not recorded, I have not edited, and I have not posted a video on my personal channel in 4 months. A third of a year. And honestly, it's been great. Because I love video, I love photo, you guys know this. But it's been wonderful being able to just take a step back and not do anything personally for my own brand for 4 months. I've needed this. I have a paper I need to write and a presentation I need to make. And that being said, I'm gonna get some of that done. Sorry, I'm just looking at you guys. But yeah, so I'm trying to get some of that done. I'll see you guys in a bit. I've got a YouTube video playing over here in the background for me. And yeah, the day continues because it's only 2 o'clock. It feels so much later than 2 o'clock right now. It's been a wacky day. My second paper of the day. This is just a quick essay on a chapter I have to read. But it's bad. It's like 7 o'clock at night and I just kind of want to go to bed. So, yeah, this is my last homework of the day and I need to finish a presentation tomorrow. But yeah, I'm going to talk a little bit tomorrow about something I'm going to be trying that I would suggest all you guys do as well, but we'll get to that tomorrow. It's about social media. I know this one's a little more rough, but I haven't sat in front of a camera in like 4 months, so I did have a couple demo videos I did, but I don't think you guys are actually going to see those, so I'm going to cut it here, and we'll go from here and just see what happens. So I'll probably drop this on Monday, the 7th, and I'll probably record on Monday as well and make that Tuesdays, so we'll see what happens.